Hey friend, where you at? What you doing? How you doing? It's your girl Cameron and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel and you're feeling my vibe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications so you can get a notification every time I post a video. And if you're not new, you already been here before, you already know the vibes. You already know we locked in. Now it's Friday, August 24th, I believe, and we got home and I need to get myself together, y'all. I look a hot mess. I've been taking my nails off. I got one nail on this hand, 3 on this hand. I got pizza sauce on my shirt, and I just really need to get myself together. I just ain't been feeling it. The skin ain't skinning, and yeah. But before I go ahead and get ready, my package from Shein came. So I wanted to. Oh, I don't know why I just did that. I hope. Yeah, but anyways, my package machine came and I want to open my package with y'all. So let's go ahead. Oh, and if y'all haven't seen it, obviously y'all seen the title already. I already know what the title gonna be, Days in My Life. And yeah, I just want to come on here and vlog. I know I was supposed to vlog on during the week and upload today, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So I'm gonna upload this video on Wednesday instead, and then after this week coming up, I'm gonna go back to the regular scheduling day for Friday. So I feel like I should move. Let's see. I feel like this is better. But first, I'm gonna start off with these shirts. I only got 4 things, because I didn't want to overdo it. And I'm trying to give me some basic stuff. So I got this shirt. In the comments, they were saying it's like it gives skims, so that's why I got it. It's just a plain black shirt. And the material is very, very, it's like, I don't know if y'all could tell, it's like silky. That's why I don't be like, order from these places, man. Don't get me wrong, I love Shein, but I don't know, but I guess it'll do. And then I got a gray one. And yeah, I just trying to give me some basic stuff for right now, because I'm trying to get my fall collection up. I'm starting my fall shopping right now, so yeah. And then I got this cardigan. Ooh, this is so cute, and it's thick. It's nice and thick. Hold on, y'all, my bad. Got this cute cardigan, so cute, nice and thick. I love the material. Let me put my arm in here. Hold on, because I feel like these arms look a little short, and I'm tall. So let me see. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, this is real cute. I'm gonna pair this with something cute. Real cute. I like this. I see somebody else that I watch on YouTube with it on, and it was real cute on her. So I was like, I have to get that. And I got me some shoes. They beat the box up. Better not have eaten my shoes up. I've been wanting these forever, y'all. Oh, so cute. They're so cute. Got me some Rick dupes. Ooh, these are so cute. I really hope I can fit them. I was looking in the comments. I never ordered shoes. And why do they look small? I'm about to cry if I can't fit these shoes. Like, I'm really gonna boo-hoo down if I can't fit these shoes. Oh my God. Hold on now. Oh, my nail. Loosen these. These the shoes, y'all. They real cute. I'm finna try them on real quick. I'm gonna be so mad if I can't fit these shoes. Okay, y'all, this is shoe on my foot. And I'm not gonna lie, like my toe, I don't know if because I need to cut my toenails, but it's right here. I should have won my first line. A lot of people were saying that they run really big, so I got a 7.5 instead of an 8.5. I could have went with an 8. Not gonna lie, I could have went with an 8, but they're so cute. I'm still gonna wear them. And yeah, gotta like just fit into them. I'm definitely gonna order another pair though, because these are too freaking cute. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I guess right now I'm about to go ahead and get in the shower. I still have conditioner in my hair, so I have to rinse this conditioner out and blow dry my hair because I'm just tired of having this little girl ponytail in my hair right now. So I guess I'll do that while I'm in the shower. Let's try to take this out. But yeah, I'm just ready to hurry up and wind down. I do have to work tomorrow, so yeah, will be coming along to work with me tomorrow. But look at this. I don't know why I let this happen, but I'm so satisfied with these curls. Like, they just look so good. But anyway, so yeah, I'm about to get in the shower right now, and then when I get out the shower, figure out what I'm gonna eat, and then just watch my shows, because I need to catch up on my shows. Yeah, I guess I'll see y'all once I get out of the shower. Okay, I'm officially out of the shower. I'm about to go ahead and wash my face real quick and then get dressed. I know y'all see my armpits. Don't mind my armpits. I have to shave. I just bought me some new Tree Hut shaving oil, but I'm literally saving that for my self-care video. So yeah, don't mind that. Ain't nothing wrong with a little hair, okay? And Plus, I've been on my cycle anyway, so I just ain't really been in the mood. Okay, y'all, so I got my little gown on. I just put me some taquitos in the oven. I just want something real simple. Not gonna cook no whole meal tonight. I'm about to blow dry my hair and watch TV. I got some really good news in the mail today, so I'm very excited about that. So I'm going to just finalize some stuff next week, and then I will share y'all the very exciting news. I'm so happy, so excited, and yeah, I just can't wait to share that with y'all. But I'm just ready to sit here and chill right now, waiting for my poo to get done. It shouldn't take long, and it shouldn't take me long to blow dry my hair. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to call it a night and chill. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little montage of me blow drying my hair, and then I probably won't speak back to y'all until tomorrow. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and I'm obviously ready for work. I'm about to get ready, head out for work. It's 7:57 right now. I gotta be there at 8 o'clock, so I guess y'all gonna see me once I get to work. Okay, y'all, I'm at work. I look a hot ass mess, but I don't even care. Our truck got canceled today, so my device is dinging because I have to sign in. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I have to sign into my device or it was going to keep making that noise. But like I said, they canceled our, I'm trying to sneak and do this because I'm doing this for y'all. So anyways, they canceled our truck today. And yeah, so they're gonna have me doing a whole bunch of random stuff today. But when I first get in, I have to get my device in my walkie and let them know that I'm on the floor. This is Kayla in for the day. And somebody say something, sometimes they don't say anything. But I'm on my way back here to figure out what they want me to do because, yeah. Y'all, this is the driest I ever fucking seen it back here. No truck today? What? This is crazy. I could have stayed at home. This is the stuff that was rolled over from yesterday. So whoever didn't finish this yesterday, your mama's a you know what. So I guess I'm gonna do, how many carts is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby, who this for? Who this for? Okay, y'all, so right now I'm on the sales floor. Basically my position is specialty sales. So I take out the cart that y'all seen in the previous clip and I bring it to the sales floor and I unbox everything and I stock it on the floor. So I'm the reason why y'all got stuff to pick up these aisles because I be stocking it. So I open my first box. Usually they time us on this, but the times is so unrealistic. Like, I don't know. They will literally give me a whole big cart with at least 30, 40 boxes on it and will say, finish this in 20 minutes. Who? I'm not Sonic. I'm not Speedy Gonzalez. I'm not Flash. Okay? Like, be for real. I'll be wanting to tell them, let me see you unpack these boxes in 20 minutes. Like, anyway, so this is, we're getting some fall stuff. This is so cute. You can use this for like a candy bowl or something. So cute. Let me see how much this is. For only $20. So this, my device right here, this is what we use the whole shift. Like, we can scan stuff and it'll show us like what aisle it's in and where in the aisle that it actually goes. We can, if customer asks us, oh, can you tell me the price of this? We can scan it and it'll tell us the price. We do our pulls from his, the fulfillment orders, everything we literally do on here. So right now it says TB33, which means that it is transitioning, so it's not yet on the floor. So I'm not going to put this out on the floor just yet because it doesn't go on the floor yet. Set date is September 3rd, and we can also see that too. So yeah, just because y'all be seeing stuff online and y'all be wanting to come in the store doesn't mean that we have it on the floor yet, because it's not set to go on the floor yet. Okay, that's just a little 411 for you Target shoppers. I think y'all know everything. We getting our Halloween stuff. Actually, in that first clip that y'all saw, you know, that little Halloween table, that's where that goes. And it's just so cute over there. So yeah, I'm about to finish unpacking these boxes and putting stuff out on the floor because I don't want to take too long. But I just want to give y'all like little glimpse of what I do. And I'm literally going to do that for this whole cart. Unbox, take it out. Unbox, take it out. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was taking my sweet time, but these are all my empty boxes. So we have to put them in this big baler, but it needs to be smashed right now. So yeah, I have to call somebody over. Let's see. Hey, can I get keys to the baler, please?
It will be right there.
Thank you. So now someone's gonna come over. I'm gonna close this and wait for someone to come over and come smash it. Now we're about to go back stock the rest of this stuff. So FYI, this is some new stuff we got coming to the floors for fall. Okay, guys, so this is basically where we back stock everything. Push this all the way. So this is basically where we back stock everything. Everywhere has an aisle. So my device that I have, I scan, let's say I scan the product, scan this, put it there, and then put how many of that product that I'm putting back here. So yeah. And then all of the aisles are labeled. This is the kitchen aisle. And that is what I just got done back stocking. So yeah. Let's get it done. And then after this, I'm about to go take my 15-minute break. Okay, I'm on my 15-minute break right now. The cash register is giving me a whole bunch of problems just for this one little drink. But I'm gonna go sit my tail down. I'm tired. I'm hungry. My coworker got some honey buns, and he offered me some, so I'm gonna go tear it up real quick and then go back to work. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from my break, back in the back stocking room, and okay, I'm back in the back stocking room, and now I'm pulling priorities. Basically, it's like stuff that's in the back stock room that's been sitting here for a while that need to go. No, these are 1 for 1. So basically, the stuff that's in the back stock room that needs to go to the floor. And then I'm just gonna zone the aisles, make sure everything is straight, neat, looking nice or whatever. We typically do these on days when we don't have much to do, and today, as you've seen in the beginning of this vlog, that there's nothing to do. We didn't get a truck today. I finished the carts that were rolled over from yesterday. So yeah, now they got me doing just random stuff. So I guess I'll show y'all the cart when I'm finished, because I'm doing it by aisle in the section that I work in. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty packed, but it's not gonna be too bad. And I'm just gonna take my sweet ass time because it's just a slow day today, and I'm not gonna overwork myself. Why overwork myself when there's nothing to really do? Like, you feel me? So yeah, I'm looking real crazy today, but you know, take me as I am, okay? This is really what I do, and I can't believe that today, out of all days, we didn't get a truck today. The day that I want to do a come to work with me, it's a very slow day, which is good at the same time, but yeah, so this is really what I do on an everyday basis. I just get car after car, stock, and take my breaks and go home. So not too much. I did a come to work with me before on my last channel, and the views,
a few minutes, I'll come back for that 3 tier. I'm sorry.
they went crazy on the views. So hopefully y'all like this one as well. But this is just what I do on a typical day working at Target. Honestly, I don't like this job, but it is what it is. So let me hurry up and finish my work, and then okay, I have to put y'all on this candle right here, bourbon pumpkin limited edition scented soy candle. It smells so good. Like, this is the perfect fall pumpkin. Imagine cleaning your house and getting out the shower, lighting this candle, turning on a good fall movie. Oh, it smells so good. It's on the floors. Run to y'all nearest Target, put them Crocs in sport mode, and go. Okay, y'all, so I got my stuff full, and I'm about to go bring this out to the sales floor, and some items right over there in that area. So yeah. Fresh off work, finally, outfit change, and now we're about to go into the mall. Y'all, look at, they got a little fun box over there for the kiddos. I want to take my kids so bad. My kids be acting funny though. I'm gonna have to jump around with them, but it looks so fun. I know, right? See them kids. Can I zoom in? Nah, I can't zoom in. It looks so fun. We about to go ahead and go up in this. What's he doing? In this mall and see what they're talking about. I'm about to try some stuff on. I'm trying to find something to wear for Labor Day weekend because the girl got plans. So let me hurry up and try this stuff on and see if I like it. Giving body. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You eat a lot of meat.
Jerk chicken, baked macaroni, cabbage.